Hey guys, this is Bilal from vmakers.com and welcome to our first ever tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the fundamentals of TinkerCad. For those of you who don't know, TinkerCad is a free online 3D designing platform where you can create your own models using already present shapes or your own. Before starting, if you haven't got one, you have to create an Autodesk account to begin. Upon signing in, you are greeted with your profile and a list of projects that you've already done. To create a new design, you click over here and then you are greeted with this work plane. In the center, you'll have your work plane where you will be working for most of the time. On the left, you have your view changing tools. You can zoom in or zoom out or fit everything in the view. You can use the scroll wheel to zoom in or zoom out as well. You can use the left mouse button to tumble and click and hold on the scroll wheel to pan. If you want to go back to the home position, click here. On the right part of the screen, you can see a collection of shapes, text and much more. You can click on any shape and drag it onto the work plane. You can play around with the size and dimensions of every shape by clicking these white squares or from the shape options over here. This black arrow can help you move your model up and down. Each shape has two properties. You can either make it a solid or a hole. You can make holes in already present shapes through this property, like so. You can even add text or use featured community shapes or even import your own models from here by uploading them in. Now, with all of this, let's build something. I'm thinking of building a keychain. So for that, I will first build my base. After that, I will write a name with a text model and then make it a hole and extrude it on the base. After that, we just have to add a ring. You can use a torus or a ring shape and just make a hole with that as well. So I guess that's a pretty detailed overview of the modeling part of TinkerCad. There's a lot more which we look into in later videos. Hope you like this video. Be sure to subscribe and we'll see you again soon.